Hey there, I was sent over these steel toe shoes and I've been wearing them for a while now, and I have to say they're pretty comfortable. They are steel toed in the front. The bottoms are a hard rubberized material and they are slip resistant. They are also puncture resistant, and I've been using them in the yard, which is good because I typically will wear sneakers. So I like the fact that these are a little sturdier than my sneakers are going to be. The inside has a little bit of padding, so I like the comfortableness of it in the fact that it is a low cut, more like sneakers. So I like the way it feels around my ankle. The inside again does have some padding in there, so I found these really comfortable to wear. I didn't think that they felt any different than wearing my regular sneakers. The most interesting feature to me is the actual way that they stay closed. Instead of having your typical tie, they actually have these really thin wire filaments, and for putting them on, you slide your feet into them and then turn it clockwise to tighten it up against your foot, making it easy to just slip on, tighten, and go. I did find that once I put them on and stood up and walked for a second or two, they were actually a little looser than I wanted. So while standing, I tightened them again and didn't have any further issues with them. To untighten them, you actually pull up on the knob and then turn it counterclockwise, and it untightens the filament, making them easy to step out of. I really liked that with the shoe. Just made it a little faster putting it on, taking it off, and it's something different than what most shoes have. So I'm really liking these. I feel that they're true to size. They feel well made. I like the stitching in them. Everything feels nice and tight. It's got a little bit of breathability here with the canvas here. Guys, I think my yard sneakers are gonna now be number 2 on the list for what I grab to put on to go out and do yard work. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if these are a good fit for you.